Hey YouTube, once again back at you with another video. I've got a little bit more time to smoke my new Tim Thorpe Volcano Squat, or Squat Volcano rather. Here it is again. Nice little chubby bowl. I really like this. Burgundy rustication, really cool. It has some bird's eye maple hair on the top. Nice cool little I love the bit. Love the bit. Flat here on the bottom. Let's smoke it and see what she smokes like. And this is a female pipe, by the way. As you can tell because there are no balls here on the bottom. Get it? Alright, here we go. Gotta be careful, man, on the top here because it's a gorgeous little bird's eye action he's got going on top here, so I don't want to char that. Always have to be careful using my little pipe lighter from I believe this is this Colibri? Yeah, Colibri. Nifty little gadget here. I'm sure you've seen it before in the past. It's got the little extension where you can get down in those hard to reach places. Nice air hole. I'm smoking my Hardy 4, which is in my local tobacconist blend. It's 4 Hardy Latakias. He won't tell me what they are. He's tricky like that. But it's all pure 100% Latakia, just different types of Latakia. I call it my Hardy 4. Nice air hole in this pipe. I think I'm going to fall in love with this pipe. I like this pipe. It really seems to smoke well. The initial air hole pass is really cool. I like to pack my pipes just to get that medium tug, and then obviously I'll light, and we'll go from there. Like I said, it's still in the beginning stages, but I really love the way this pipe looks cosmetically, and really going to love breaking it in. Tim Thorpe is the maker of this pipe. Just a swell young lad. He's a USA pipe maker. I highly urge you check out his website, thorpespipes.com. It's either thorpepipe.com or thorpespipes.com. I believe it's thorpespipes.com. Hopefully I'll put a little link here in the sidebar. Just an exceptional job on the finish of this pipe. I love the way it looks. And I highly urge you to check out his website. Hopefully you can get something done with you too. He's a custom pipe maker. He does take requests. He is very cool and very personable. I've got a call from Tim Thorpe right now. So I'm going to take this. You guys take care. Hello? Hello? Hey, what's going on, buddy?